I ended up buying this other welder, which I already tried a little bit, and dude, that was awesome. It's a, let me show you here, 80 amp Inverter ARC Welder. So there's a table there, it says here what to use, and I was playing with this here, and dude, it's pretty good. I'm actually very impressed. I also played with this here, which I had a hole, and I covered the hole. Let me see if I can. I'll show you here. There you go. I covered the hole, and of course I'm gonna train a little bit, and I also got that big one, which I'm gonna make a bash bar for this car, so I'm gonna make it way lighter. But for now we're gonna concentrate on getting our exhaust pipe, or at least some of it. I'm gonna weld the V-band in there, and of course I already have a hole from the flux-core welder, and you know, just check it out. And you welders out there watching me, just remember, never done that before, it's the first time. So leave a comment down there and tell me what I'm doing wrong and how can I make it better. Alright, I appreciate it. Alright, gloves. Where are my gloves? I almost forgot about the gloves. Don't forget gloves. Cover your pants, your arms, everywhere you can. Alright guys. Is this the end? Oh no, I have a little more in there. Let me see. Yeah, there's a little more. I've used the whole rod, and I mean, it's not the prettiest thing ever, but dude, I made it. I mean, it's not terrible. I mean, it's ugly, but it's gonna hold it, and it's gonna be under the car. So I guess I gotta train a little bit, but bear with me. I couldn't be happier. I've been waiting for this moment for a while. I mean, it is ugly, but it is done. So, and better, it's done by myself. So, you know what this actually means. Of course, this is not the Eclipse, but you know what this means? Means that now I am able to fabricate some stuff, and this is one of the reasons why the Eclipse is not quite running, because I need some of this pipe, and I need to put one of those, I'm gonna say bungo, but I think it's Bong, the O2 Bong thing in here. And you know, for all that to happen, I need to get my Eclipse, take to someone, leave there. I don't want to leave my car, you know, and I want to be part, I want to be in the process. I want to be part of the process of everything that happens on that Eclipse. So if I do anything that I'm not there, it doesn't count, because all of this here, all of this stuff I do, the Eclipse, the BMW, the, you know, the 2JZ and whatever is to come, is about a normal guy like you doing something that you don't know. I've never done this, never done. Check it out. Ugly, and I'm happy. You know why I'm happy? Because all of this I just told you. So yeah, this is a huge victory. I guess next steps would be I'm gonna drill a hole in here with the Christmas tree bit, and I'm gonna get the bong and tack both sides, and then I'm gonna weld around. I'm gonna train a little bit to see, because I can't have like air leaking. Honestly, I don't think there's anything leaking here because it looks pretty good. It looks like it penetrated inside. Look at that. If you are a experienced welder, check it out. It got pretty good. So if you are an experienced welder, please leave a comment down here. Tell me what I did. I know I need to have a bench. I know I need to have more light, but you know, dude, look at this here. And this is because that car has a wrong oil sump, the bottom part. It's in front and gotta be on the back, otherwise it doesn't fit in this car, because of course this is the Toyota Super engine and I'm putting in a BMW, so of course I've never done that also. So yeah, so I can't use my bench. I gotta have a special other place in the garage so it can weld, but I don't have yet. Alright, daylight now. So I welded the rest of it, and now what I'm doing is I'm using the grinder and I'm grinding the rest of it. So I'm gonna try to put you in here so you can see what I am doing exactly. Okay, so this is how it looks now. It looks nice. So my plan is to poke a hole right in here and put this guy in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie this in here and get this Christmas tree bit, put it in there, and I know exactly how deep I need to go. So I need to go all the way down and leave just 1, 2, 3. Alright, I saw a guy doing this yesterday on a video. He had a rod on his hand and he had this on in here, and he was putting this together. This is how it looks like. Yeah, I might try to fill those gaps and then grind a little. Now I need to perfect my welding skills. It's not terrible. I mean, first time. Give me a break. Just kidding. Let me know what I did wrong or what could I have done better. This goes right on the exhaust. Chaz made that beautiful downpipe for me with TIG weld, and I did this one with arc weld. I tried to use that cheap Harbor Freight flux-core doesn't work. It poke holes and it doesn't seal. This is great. I just need to learn how to use it properly, but man, I mean, I'm surprised I even did it. So yeah, I'll be able to put in there. I'll be able to put the O2 sensor. I just need to have all the data available, because I was trying to tune just having like halfway, and it does not work. So if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. There's a lot to come. So I have the Eclipse outside. I have this BMW here, which I am putting my 2JZ engine, which is actually inside the car. It's not from the car. I also have this BMW here that I didn't even touch. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do with that, but yeah, it's a bunch of cool stuff. I learned. I'm not a mechanic, so you know, I'm a normal guy like you, if you're not a mechanic too either. Also awesome. And alright guys, so don't forget to like, share, comment. Check out my website, www.carmodsgarage.com. There's a lot of merch in there. I start putting kind of sort of a blog, so all my Eclipse build is all the way top down. I'm gonna do the same thing with the BMW when I'm done. And let's enjoy this beautiful day here with the coronavirus. So you can't go anywhere. Gotta try to control the spread, and I'm doing my part. I hope you do yours. Don't freak out. Everything's gonna be all right. And I'll see you on the next video.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles to go.